To install ExamView Pro, you need a CD. You need to put that inside your laptop or your computer. Go to the Start menu, Computer, and then click on your CD. You're going to click on Installers, ExamView Installers, Windows, ExamView Installer, Setup, and then press Next, Yes, Next, Next. Yes, and then close. Now it's been installed, you can go to your desktop, and on your desktop you're going to see an icon that looks like this, ExamView Pro. You're going to click on the icon, and it might ask you your name and stuff like that. You can just type in anything, and then it'll ask you to register, and you're going to click Close. And now you can create a new test, and you can name your test and begin from there.